hubby, Karnataka proves to be just heavenly. Since it's a well-loved migratory destination for birds, it is easy to spot a variety of migratory birds along with common Indian birds. Looking for a delightful break last weekend, hubby and I headed towards the very popular Ranganthittu Bird Sanctuary situated on the way to Mysore from Banglore in the Mandya district of the state Karnataka. It's a 3-hour drive from Bangalore, and we started to drive towards Ranganthittu Bird Sanctuary at 2 p.m. via Mysore Road. Just after crossing Srirangapatna, we took the right turn towards the Brindavan Garden. A little further down, we saw an arc that read Ranganthittu Bird Sanctuary on the right, and soon after, we reached the entrance gate. After collecting the entry fee, we parked our car and headed towards the boating area to see the exotic birds. Ranganthittu is the largest bird sanctuary